To be CEO, you have to be crushed, expended, yet open. The man or woman at the top has the crown that lays the heaviest.
Some women get burned and some are formed in the fire.
The victory is not about the peak or the end, it's really about those moments where you couldn't see your friends.
It's a game of chess, only all the pieces are alive and want to move their own way.
Where the only thing you had was the plan and the vision.
They see lack, I see seeds for multiplication.
I do this for the freedom, and those sad souls who refuse to come along die in the grave called average.
I see things different.
Everyone is chosen, but few heed the call.
In my job, I chase security or the illusion of it, but in my element, the pain is there to remind me I must be brave enough to chase freedom.
These are the moments where leaders are born.
I am CEO. Now click.